Well, jury selection for a stand-your-ground trial of a Florida man begins today. 47-year-old Michael Dunn claims that he felt threatened when he repeatedly opened fire on a car full of teenagers parked next to him back in 2012. Dunn got into a verbal altercation with 3 boys who were sitting in a car at a gas station after he told them to turn their music down. When the boys refused, Dunn continued to yell. Eventually, he pulled out a 9mm handgun and fired a number of rounds into the car. 2 of those bullets hit 17-year-old Jordan Davis. Dunn said he thought that he saw Davis pull out a shotgun. However, no weapon was ultimately recovered from the crime scene. Dunn fled with his fiancée and drove to his house 2 hours away. He never called the police to report the incident. Officers tracked him down using his license plate and arrested him the next day. Jordan Davis's father, Ron, described his son as an innocent teenager in an interview with RT back in September. Watch.
Society has turned where when you're angry, for whatever reason, you get your gun and you start with violence toward people that are innocent. I want people to know that Jordan was an innocent bystander. You know, he was an innocent young man that this guy took out his aggression on. And the worst thing about it is that when I stood in front of Michael Dunn in the courtroom, he has no remorse whatsoever. He looked at me and with such disdain that it was palpable.
The case of Michael Dunn in many ways parallels the George Zimmerman trial for the shooting death of Trayvon Martin, including the age of the boys, the color of their skin, and the state the shootings happened in, but there are also a number of key differences. Jury selection could take a week or more to complete before the trial begins. The jury of 6 men and women and 4 alternates will likely be sequestered during the duration of the trial and secluded from the media frenzy that is already happening outside.